How y'all doing? In today's video, we are going to be going over 10 advanced e-commerce prompts that you can easily plug directly into N8N and help boost SEO, all the keywords for any product that you're selling online. Amazon, Shopify, Wix, TikTok Shop, whatever. So if you are right now, if you're struggling to get any sales online, if you're struggling to get any of your product information or products in front of somebody else, there's a good chance that your SEO needs a little bit of work. And by using these prompts combined with N8N, you're going to be able to not only fix that issue by creating amazing descriptions and keywords, SEO, all that for your products, but at the same time, boost your sales. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, the first prompt we have here is for clothing and apparel brands. Excuse my eye, it's like watering a lot right now because of the fan. But for this one right here, the goal is to create a emotional connection by selling a lifestyle, not just a garment. Act as a world-class e-commerce copywriter for a high-end fashion brand. Your task is to write a compelling product description for a piece of clothing. Do not just list its features, weave them into a narrative. And then here I have a quick little guide, you can say, on how to set this all up, plug it into the workflow and N8N or make.com, whatever you want to use. Just a quick little description on how it would work. At the end of the video, I will be showing how to set all this up in N8N, so stay tuned. So that's that one. Here we have one for hair care and beauty. Act as a beauty service or a beauty science copywriter. Create a product description for a hair care item that follows the problem, agitate, solve framework. If you want a copy, or if you want to look at all these prompts yourself, I'll have all of them saved in the comments down below or the description. Not sure which one just yet, but go check it out if you want these prompts for yourself. Then we have one for fragrances. Act as a luxury perfume storyteller. We have one for car accessories. So if you're selling anything on TikTok Shop, anything on Amazon for car incense, seat covers, whatever. We have one for jewelry, watches, handbags. Another one for pet supplies. Acting as a content creator for a beloved pet supply blog. You're a pet parent, not a salesperson. It's another great one right there. This one we have high-tech electronics and gadgets. But this one is a little different. It has copy for expert and lifestyle. So for, let's just say you sell, I don't know, calculators, right? You'll have, or no, watches, right? Smart watches. You'll have a copy designed for someone who's really into tech, really into metrics and the stats of all the hardware. And then you can have another copy for lifestyle. Oh, it's great for swimming. You can go hiking with it, GPS, all that. Great prompt right here. The daily ritual for home goods, coffee makers, bedding, and cookware. The prompt acts as a lifestyle editor for a magazine like Apartment Therapy or Good Housekeeping. Great one right there. The themed email campaign generator. So act as a senior email marketing manager. Your task is to write copy for a themed promotional email. And then the last one is a complete SEO metadata package. Act as an SEO specialist for a major e-commerce platform. Based on the product information and target keywords, generate a complete SEO package. Great prompts, all of them great, amazing. Again, if you want these for yourself, check the comments first, and then if it's not there, go to the description. Now, getting into how to make this in N8N. What you want to do is you can replace this trigger with, hold on. Oh geez, okay. Let's go over here, add another trigger. So you can go in here, let's just say Shopify. You can go down to on products. Where is it? Created. And then, or you can use Airtable, a Google Sheet, whatever you want to use to store all your products information. just to get the description down. But whatever you choose for this demo, I'm just going to go ahead and do a manual activation for the workflow. And then in here, I have a spreadsheet with example data. Let me see if I can find it. There we go. Basic information, nothing crazy. I just asked ChatGPT to create me a spreadsheet just for this video. So you're going to go ahead and pull all the information from your spreadsheet, Airtable, Wix.com, Spotify, wherever you have it. And then I have a limiter right here. So only one item. Let me see if I can go ahead and run this. There you go. So it makes sure only one item at a time gets passed through, because you don't want 5 items going into the OpenAI node, because then it'll give you 5 or 1 description for 5 items at once, and that you can't use that at all. So in here, I have I have one prompt for the luxury brand accessories, like the the luxury accessory brand like Tiffany Co. Yeah, so jewelry, watches, all that. And then here, that's the user prompt. So I took that one directly from, let me see if I can find it. There. I took this and I plugged it directly into a OpenAI node. And then for the user prompt, all I did was go ahead and pass in all the information that I got from the columns from the spreadsheet. But again, this all depends on the method you're using to pull all of your product information. And then from there, go ahead and run it. Give it a second. And as I was doing that, I should note that all of these prompts right here are default. They're not made for any one business. You will have to go in here and change it around a little bit just to match your use case a little bit more. For example, instead of telling a story about the person wearing the item, you can just say something like, tell a story about the history behind how it's made or where it originates from. Again, never use anything off the internet as far as AI goes, N8N templates, prompts, whatever, without making it your own. Don't just go in there and use it, plug it in, read it, change everything you need to match your use case, and then go from there. That's for all of these too. Never do that for anything online. And then let's see here. The mark of a milestone eternal. So yeah, more than a necklace. The eternal embrace is a promise eternally kept. Each ethically sourced diamond sparkles like a cherished memories. Oh, my nose. I think it's my allergy or something going on. I'm sorry, y'all. Draped in 14 karat gold. This minimalist design is more than an accessory. It is a symbol of enduring devotion and timeless elegance. Let it be the whisper of your journey. This is good. This is pretty good. So yeah, you would take this right here, this amazing prompt, and then plug it directly into the product of your Shopify spot. For example, just for this video, you'll take the product ID, which would be over here. I didn't have the AI generate me a product ID. I should have, but you would take it from wherever you're pulling your data from. For example, if you're getting from Shopify, you have a Shopify node over here for any product that's added. Then you would pull it from the input from the previous nodes over here, place it here. For example, let's just say this is the product ID. Boom. Take it from there, add your credentials. I don't have all that set up right now. Take it from there, and then when you run this, it'll update the item inside of your Shopify spot or wherever you're selling the item at. And then from there, if you run this, like, you can easily create a loop for, actually no, you don't really need to do that either. Just again, have this run whenever a product is added, or just put in a loop. You could do it like, and add this loop, add all these items inside the loop, and then for every item, let's say we go ahead and run. Okay, so it'll do one item at a time. So it'll loop over one item at a time, and so all the items inside the spreadsheet is done, and then it'll update the ID for all of them right there. Again, I don't have a Shopify store set up to demonstrate this right now, but super quick overview how to get it done. Again, if you need help building out a more in-depth system like this, or if you have more questions about anything I said, click the description down below, book a free 10-15 minute call. Let's go over everything that you want to talk about, and potentially how we can make a system like this for all of your products right now and going forward. And if you want any of these prompts, click the comments down below. And that's really it. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and then subscribe. And yeah, I appreciate you.